Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina Garten for the Key Ingredient, and today I'm gonna drop bars on you. Not those kind of bars, lemon bars. We're gonna put a little twist on our lemon bars. The key ingredient for our lemon bars today, white chocolate. If you want more fun, easy recipes from the Key Ingredient, hit the notification bell down below and subscribe to my channel. Lemon bars are one of my all-time favorite desserts. They have a flaky, buttery crust underneath and a beautiful, luscious lemon curd on top. Sprinkle that with powdered sugar and you are absolutely good to go. To make our shortbread for our lemon bars, we're gonna add 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 cup of butter. You can use a pastry cutter to incorporate your ingredients for your shortbread. By the time it's finished, it should look like a sandy sort of texture. The shortbread pastry is not a very wet pastry, but it will mold to your fingertips. So you just want to press it down gently and make sure you have a flat, even base at the bottom of your pan, because this is going to be what holds up that delicious curd. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to set the pastry in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to start on our lemon curd. Now we're going to begin on our lemon curd. Now I personally like a lot more curd as compared to the pastry down below, so I'm going to be using 5 eggs. It's going to pretty much double the recipe of the curd based on the amount of pastry we have down below. To this we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I like them really tangy and the curd to be really thick, so I'm going to add 1.5 lemons to my curd. And as I mentioned before, I like my lemon bars really tangy, so I'm going to use about a tablespoon of lemon zest. Finally, to our curd mixture, we're going to add 1/4 cup of flour. This acts as a thickening agent. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to smell the pastry crust now. It smells so delicious. Our crust is now slightly cooled, and to this we're going to add about 1/2 bag of white chocolate chips. It's up to you how few or how many you add, but over here we like a pretty generous amount. It's time to pour over my curd mixture and pop this back in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's okay if some of your white chocolate chips float to the top. That's totally fine. They're still going to be just as delicious. Our lemon bars are cool and almost ready to eat. Now all we have to do is the very best part, the powdered sugar. You know that lemon bars are my all-time favorite, but what's your favorite treat? Comment down below, I'd love to hear about it. Now you know how to make my all-time favorite dessert, lemon bars. If you need a copy of this recipe, click on the PDF in the description down below and download it to your computer. For more of my Caribbean life, my food photography journey, and easy, delicious recipes like these lemon bars, hit the subscribe button down below and make sure to follow me on Instagram at The Key Ingredient. I'm Ina Garten, and thank you for watching. This is a lemon bar dance. Oh my gosh, they're so good.